Today I'm gonna do for the very first time a motor review. My plan is to run it and talk about it, or I feel it in the flight, etc, etc. And I hope you're gonna understand my English. I know it's not very good, but I try to do my best. So the motors is the new F60 III version 3, sorry. It's 2207 2750 kV. I'm usually now prefer high kV motor with little props like the HQ, because I got more grip and it feels sharper in the air, and I prefer it now. I run them for like 1 month now, and I have not broke it already. The bearing feel good, and I'm very fan of this motor. Vivian 10 send them to me, but I'm not sponsored by Team Mistral or any motor brand, so it's really just to help me, and I want to say thank you for the help. So I'm gonna do the flight and try to show my hand, because a lot of people ask me about it, and that's it.
So you can see that I have no any throttle oscillation. Oh, a tiny bit. Maybe my P is too high, or maybe it's just about the props. So yeah, they feel very great, very smooth and very responsive. Not killing power. Yeah, the low torque is very nice because of the 2207. I know I can really stop my quad very fast if you check. It's very nice. That's why I love 2207 instead of 13306, because you have like this throttle curve, sorry, that help to be a little bit more smooth, and you have explosive power at the end. Yeah, so it's not that. Yeah, this motor feels so nice with my Revolt. I'm really a big fan. You have really this. Oh shit! It's okay. It's okay. Then. The good thing is that they have a weak magnet, but the tuning for D is not that bad for sure. I don't have that much bounce back. Yeah, it's very aggressive and very smooth at the same time. Yeah, it's a very nice motor. I'm really a big fan. The consumption is not that bad too. I can easily run like 3 minutes of flying with them, and holy crap! No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, oh, I'm fucking lucky as fuck. Yeah, I really. Holy crap, my Gopro is very low.
So I hope you like the videos, and if you want more in the future, go in the comment section and write me something about that. Please subscribe and like the video, because it's the thing that helps us to have the support, etc., to see that people like our job and we do it in the good way. See you!